Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This short message in response to the community in response of the events that have been going on up and down the country. Unfortunately, we've been seeing some disturbing scenes, and what should be the response of the Muslim community? Well, firstly, it's important to understand the nature of what's going on and the intentions behind it. And the intention is to cause hatred, division, and to bring out the Muslim community and to provoke them in such a manner that they go down to the levels of thuggery that we're seeing from the far right. It's a trap that's being set, and our advice is not to fall for this trap. So what we do is we follow the teachings of the Prophet ﷺ, and that is to stay patient and to stay away from these events and things that are going on. So if you do hear about a protest in your area from the far right, the advice from the Prophet ﷺ would be to stay away from this, stay away from the fitna. Do not get involved in this. Don't fall for the traps of doing counter-protesting and going there to defend our community. Let the police do their work and stay patient. Follow the teachings of the Prophet ﷺ. Stay away from this and do not fall for the traps. And inshallah, we will see that these riots will fizzle out very quickly. However, if we are to fall for the traps and get ourselves involved by counter-protesting, then what will happen is this fitna, it will increase. The fires that have been created will just increase, and this could last for months. So my advice to myself and to yourselves is stay safe, stay vigilant, be patient, and above all, do not get involved. Let everything fizzle out. Let the police handle what they need to do, and inshallah soon this fitna will be over. Thank you.